It's 4.
No, it's 2.
It's 4.
It's 2.
Look at Y4.
No, it's equals to Y2.
It's Y4.
Y1 plus Y1 equals 1, 2.
Y plus Y plus Y plus Y plus Y equals to Y4.
No, it's 2.
It's Y4.
No, it's 2.
Let's go and ask. Brother.
Hello.
Brother.
Hello. They asked me for 3K.
See, this girl said that. I
Put
said
the
it's
low card
Y4.
now.
She said that it's Y2.
I do come. Go down low card now. This is my promo code. I will call you back. Yeah.
See, I got Y4 and she said that it's Y2.
It's Y2. It's Y2.
This Y4.
I did do something. Go meeting.
You do not know it.
Now. Meeting now.
Sir, I calculated this mass and it was Y4.
No, it's not like that. It's Y2 I go.
I said it's
My service is
Y4.
not correct.
My service is correct.
Okay.
Let me see the mass.
See it.
What is this thing?
Is Y raised to power 3 times
No, that's
Y
not the
raised.
question. You haven't failed the question. That is not the question.
Is now what?
The question is equals to Y raised to power 2 plus Y raised to power 1.
No.
Wait,
Your question is not
what is your
correct.
own answer?
My answer is Y2.
It's correct. What is your own answer?
Y4.
That one too is correct. This question have 2 answers. You understand?
I'll solve it.
You can wish.
Take this thing, come
Solve
on.
am now.
So far, I'm sure you know Sabi book ni.
Take this thing, come on for here. You people are rude. You just see somebody, you think you can come and meet.
Solve it now. You said it has 2 answers.
I don't
How?
understand.
Oh yeah, come on for here.
You never even know
No,
yourself.
himself.
I go tell your mama now. I go beat you.
Beat you. You do not know it as big as you are.
I don't know.
And you be calling yourself senior.
They don't
Senior
go
for that
to
matter.
they talk. I don't know this.
All this thing, they will do like this for this compound. They can't think to everybody to their
Calm.